How many times do you actually have to hear about this IRS Fresh Start Program? Well, I'm going to do a little better than that. I'm going to explain what it is. Is it real or is it just marketing talk? What it can do for you. And along the way, I'm going to drop some golden nuggets that I think you're going to find very helpful when you're looking to actually resolve some IRS tax debt. Here's the first. Fresh Start Program. It's not just one solution. It's an umbrella of different solutions. Next, and this is a fair question, is Fresh Start real? Well, yes, it is real. But you listen to these advertisements and they're misleading because they make it sound like everybody is eligible for this automatic removal or reduction of tax. And that's not what it is. So how can Fresh Start help you reduce your tax? Think of Fresh Start more like a toolbox. And in that toolbox, you have maybe offer and compromise and installment agreements, maybe penalty reduction, levy release, lien release, things like that. If you have a hammer may be a good tool, but a hammer is not that great when you really need a screwdriver. But now look, we have to talk about the IRS offer in compromise. This offer in compromise, that's what a lot of people think about when they hear Fresh Start. It allows for someone to settle for a very specific amount with the IRS based on what they owe, but not what they're going to pay. It allows them to reduce the overall amount that they ultimately pay out to the IRS. It really does give them a fresh new opportunity to move forward with their life and pay less of the tax that they owe. A lot of people think that that is based on what they want to pay. Hey, I want to pay $1,000, I owe $100,000, but hey, it doesn't really work like that. So take this golden nugget from you. That offer and compromise program, yeah, it really can help you get a fresh start by paying less tax than the IRS says that you owe. But IRS is going to consider all of your financial and life circumstances, and it's going to determine what you can pay, what it thinks that you can pay. But then also part of our overall strategy is to convince the IRS that you can't pay nearly that much, that you can only pay an amount much less. So look, you're probably wondering, okay, for all these things that you talked about, how do I choose the best option? Let me give you a quick list. That attorney is going to ask you whether all your tax returns are filed, whether your current taxes are being paid, and while we're at it, what can you realistically afford? What assets and equity do you have, and whether a business is involved, and whether that business has any assets, and whether there's any equity in those assets. And finally, not just is this a resolution that you can afford, but will it remain affordable once the settlement is approved? Because in order to benefit from it, you have to be able to go through with it. And sometimes the best strategy really is just a combination of several of these things. So how do you know which one to select? We recommend that you talk to someone who is experienced and skilled in doing offers in compromise and these other fresh start initiatives, these other fresh start programs. That's what we suggest. I'm Anton with Tax Law Offices. I hope this helps. Hope to see you on the next video.